Okay, so hey friends, welcome to another video. In this video I'll be taking some live trades. I'll also be explaining each and every one for you so that you can understand. So make sure to watch till the end. Okay, right here I found my first opportunity. I took a trade with the sellers. So we have okay, I've already drawn the strong supply area right there, and that was my point of entry. So we also have a trend line which I'll draw for you. So okay, the sellers are rejecting nicely, as you can see. So we have this trend line, and I'm expecting the market to come down to this point. So I'm expecting the sellers to come down, to push down to this point right here. Okay, that was a win. So I'm expecting them to come down to that point. So this the area I've drawn right here is my supply area, and that's the point I used for entry. So once the market came to that point, I took a trade with the sellers. So make sure to subscribe and like. Also leave a comment, write the word strong so that I can make a video explaining how to identify strong and weak supply and demand, guys. Let's look for another opportunity. Okay, I think I found an opportunity right here. So let me draw it for you. So we have a demand area right here, and we also created a high. We are moving in an uptrend, so these are confirmation. So let me take a trade with the buyers. Okay, took a trade with the buyers right there, right at the demand area. So we have this clean uptrend creating for us this high. So once the market came back to our demand, I took a trade expecting the sellers to get in. So let's wait and see. Okay, looking at the past of the market, we also don't have any resistance area, so I think the buyers will enter. So if you're interested, you can also check out our Telegram community. The link will be in the description. You can also ask any direct question. So that was a win, guys. Okay, let's see. It hasn't. Okay, that was a win. So make sure to message me if you have any question, and yeah, let's move on. Let's look for another opportunity. Okay, let me take my trade with the buyers. Okay, so we have this demand area right here. We have this demand area, and we are moving in a very strong uptrend. So I'm expecting the market to reject. Okay, this resistance area right here is not that strong, so I'm not worried about it. I think the market will break it easily. So it's not a strong one. So yeah. Okay, that was a win. So our demand area rejected nicely. Okay, right here we have another opportunity. Okay, this candle closed as a marabuzal candle, which is a sign of reversal. So once the we have a okay, let me take a trade. Although we have a gap down, which reduces my confidence. Okay, but I still took the trade anyway. So I'm expecting this supply area to hold and to reject the market, because we also have a lower low, as you can see. So let's see how the trade closes. Okay, we have a good downtrend, but I'm not very confident about this trade, honestly. Okay, that was a loss. It's because of this gap down. Okay, there's no problem, it happens. So you always get losses. That is something. Okay, so we have another opportunity right here. So if you look closely, it somehow it's the same. Like we have the same pattern as the first trade we took. So once it comes to my entry, I'll take a trade. Okay, I took 2 trades right here. So if you look closely, it's almost similar to the, okay, we have this trend line which hasn't been touched. So I'm expecting these buyers to come up to this trend line. So okay, that was